We're over here at Uraku, right across from Ala Moana Mall. It's a 30-story building. We're about to get this thing clean. It's a trash chute cleaning. And then we'll keep you posted as we continue our cleaning, just so you guys can see the process, how we go about doing it, the setup, everything. When you're using a pressure washer, hot water pressure washer, or you're using the trash bin cleaning truck like we're using. Okay, we're over here at Uraku. It's a 30-story building over here at Ala Moana, right across the street from Ala Moana Mall. We're about to start this cleaning, just getting everything set up. We got our hoses and our hoist and everything already ready. So I'll keep you guys posted once we get everything all set up and situated. On a side note, I was the one that sold this customer. This is Nordstrom. I was the one that sold them this compactor and the servicing right here when I was working at West Oahu Agri. So we got a 100-foot hose here with the spinner, and we got a 100-foot here, another 100-foot hose right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull everything up this chute, and then we're gonna start the pressure wash from here, or from the top all the way down here, using hot water. We're gonna put caution tape on each floor, and then we're gonna go from there. So this is set up with our hoses from the truck all the way to there, and then we'll go from there. We're dropping our rope from the very top on the rooftop. See how we uncovered the cat? And so Daniel and my other guys is up there right now.
Feel the sunlight shine. I can see everything. I can see everything. Open my eyes.
So if anyone comes, they see me first.
'Cause there's nothing that we can do.
Alright, so we're about to start. I'm going to turn on that water. So it's going to pull this hose. I got the hot water already turned on. Now we're going to go ahead and start the drop. I got my guys, they're upstairs videoing right now. And so we're about to start this drop. And once we get everything all started, and then you'll see, so I already got the hot water turned on. Good thing is these guys got flaps inside their trash chute, so I mean, we put caution tape on the doors. Hopefully that's enough for everybody not to move anything. But I have enough slack on here, so if it happens to pull, it'll pull just enough to where it'll go on. So I'm gonna turn on my hot water. So you'll see the slack start pulling up. Everything's already on. You see the water already starting to come down. We put a fire alarm cover on here. That way, if anything does happen down here, at least we're covered. So there's the water starting to trickle down. And now I'm ready to start winding up once they start dropping.
There's a light when I look in your eyes. When you're around, everything just feels right. It's the way that you're smiling at me. It's the way, yeah, that you make my heart beat. 'Cause girl, you got me falling, falling, falling for you. Every night I'm up tossing and turning, thinking about you. Oh girl, you got me falling, falling.
Yeah, we're gonna start the cleaning one more time, and then after that we're gonna call it a day. But yeah, Uraku, right across from Ala Moana Mall. Alright, we're gonna do the cleaning one more time, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we did one run. We're about to start the second run. My guys are up on the rooftop. I got 2 guys up at the rooftop pulling everything up. And then we're gonna start the drop again. Make sure that the chute is
I could waste my time with you all night. Baby, just let me know. Don't make me wait, don't make me cry. Girl, I'm not like these other guys. I just need you by